just
like
need to
that, and you hit it with your hammer.
So this is what you call you on.
Crimper.
This is a corner bead clincher, crimper if you want to say. But this corner, it slides down the corner bead right here.
Yeah.
So if this was not finished, you would be holding your corner bead on, and you just hit it, and you hit it hard.
It puts
it
two
pinches.
notches in it.
It pinches, and it does it real fast. You go ta 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 ta. But you need to.
You turn around and nail it.
Then you put a nail or two in it.
And I've changed I've changed what I want to get to do drywall with corner bead. I want one of those staple guns that shoots the staple like that long. Put that corner bead on there.
That's pretty cool.
Works good. Jose, I used it on Jose's jobs.
I've never done it.
Did you?
Sounds cool.
You ever use that? You don't want no hammer.
You won't go back, huh?
No. And you can't take it off.
Is that air?
Yes. He just brings his air compressor out there, plugs it in, and puts all his corner bead on with it.
Or you can use what he has, the butane.
Huh?
What are you talking about?
The butane one?
Oh, I have, yeah. It's a nail gun that uses,
This here, I think this here is just like the old roofing staple.
Doesn't have any hose, nothing. It shoots nails, even framing nails.
Yeah, I don't know about none of that.
Yeah, it's expensive. It's like
a gas.
$500.
Huh?
It's a gas.
It's made by Pass Load. But
All I
anyway,
know
this is a corner.
his looks like a trim nailer, but it's got a staple in it.
Yeah.
And I think it's a roofing stapler.
Is that a T-nail or?
It looks just like that. And when you put it on there, he tries to put it in that little hole. He tries to get close to that. And just
On the outside.
yeah. And dude.
It's fast.
Oh man.
Okay. Well, this is a corner bead clincher, and I like it if I'm doing a lot of corner bead. There you go.
Testing 1, 2, 3.